Central Illinois, northwestern Williamson County, Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, Franklin County in south central Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Tamaroa to near Avon to 7 miles northwest of Altenburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Harlem, West Frankfort, Murfreesboro, Benton, New Quoin, Pinckneyville, Carterville, Christopher, Grand Lake area, Sexer, Ziegler, DeSoto, Cambria, Royalton, Elkville, Hearst, Valier, West City, and Beaver. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 64 and 90. Repeating, a severe